Hi everyone, I am Farhan Tasha binti Ahmad. My matrix number 07 DLS to 0F to 074. I am here to explain about definition of cold stress. What is cold stress? Cold stress is common concern for workers during the winter, defined as the reduction of a person's body temperature below that of normal levels. It can lead to a myriad of problems such as hypothermia and frostbite. While you can control the weather, there are ways to protect yourself from cold stress. Cold stress down the skin temperature and eventually the internal body temperature. When the body is unable to warm itself, serious cold-related illnesses and permanent tissue damage and die may result.
Hello, my name is Hafiz. Now I'm going to talk about type of cold stress. Cold stress occurs by driving down the skin temperature and eventually the internal body temperature. When the body is unable to warm itself, serious cold-related illnesses and injury may occur, and permanent tissue damage and death may result. There are 4 specific conditions that can result from cold stress and hypothermia: frostbite, trench foot, and chilblains. And first, hypothermia. Hypothermia is the body is unable to produce heat because it uses all its storage energy, occur more in the spring and fall than winter. Second was frostbite. Frostbite is the skin freeze and the loss of water. Number 3 was trench foot, caused by prolonged exposure to wet and cool condition. It can occur at 60 degrees if feet are constantly wet. It is similar to frostbite but less severe. Chilblains. Chilblains is ulcer formed by damaged blood vessel in the skin from repeated exposure of skin to temperature below 60 degrees. That's all for type of cold stress. That's all for me. Thank you.
As we know, normal body temperature is 98.6 degrees. When the body temperature drops below 86 degrees, the temperature control system becomes ineffective. Then, when the body temperature drops below 59 degrees, it begins to experience impairment of many functions.
Risk factors. First, dressing improperly. Dressing improperly will affect work tasks and movement needed. All companies will determine appropriate dress code for their workers to follow. This is because they want to assure their workers' safety. Second, wet clothing or skin. Wet clothing and skin are strictly prohibited when doing work. This is because wet fabrics and skin can be life-threatening, especially when working with machine and lifting. Third, exhaustion. Exhaustion will lead workers to doing their job improperly, and it is very dangerous because exhaustion will make our body not doing the job using the right energy amount needed and shorten the step that can be harmful.
I would like to present about effects of cold stress. I will be covering these 3 effects of cold stress like gibberellins, auxin, and cytokinins. First is gibberellins. It stunted plant growth, failure of inflorescence scenes development, delay or inhibition of flowering by failure or floral, meristeme and floral organs, and fruit drop. Next is auxins. It decreases flow of photoassimilates from source to sink, incomplete filling of kernels, and seed abortion, and stunted development of fruit. Last but not least is cytokinins. Cytokinins is inhibition of cell division, zinc efficiency of endosperm decrease, and nutrient flow to endosperm decrease.
Prevent cold stress. Wear proper clothing for cold, wet, and windy conditions. Take frequent short breaks in warm and dry shelters. Schedule work for the warmest part of the day. Avoid exhaustion or fatigue. Keep extra clothing handy in case clothes get wet.